my name's Ollie Stanley. I'm CEO of QDocs, which is a legal tech vendor in the company secretarial and corporate transactional space. It's been excellent. It's great to be back at in-person events. I'm sure everyone's saying that. Great lineup of speakers, interesting group of attendees, and a lovely venue. I think there's nothing like in-person events. You get to meet people, look them in the eye, have a proper chat, and the content of the speakers and the panels is also great.
So I'm Tom Dunlop, I'm the founder and CEO of Surmise. The conference has been great. I think the in-person kind of events allow you to actually speak to people a bit more candidly, I think, and get to the real issues they have, the real use cases, and allows you to build a relationship, which is obviously massively important for us as a vendor, and I think for the client as well. It can feel a little bit impersonal over kind of virtual meetings. I think there's certainly for Legal Innovators, it feels like it's a good collection of people with different perspectives. It feels like it's people with, I guess, at the forefront of technology as well and the movement in legal tech, and it's kind of a good meeting of minds. The content's great, it's the right people at the right stage of, I guess, the buying journey as well. And it's just a good group of people to bounce ideas off. So I think an in-person events generally, again, it's about relationship building. If there's anything we've learned is the best customers we have, and also the best way we can articulate our products is through in-person events and building that kind of direct relationship.